This is the Mother-Son Showdown, and it's intended for moms and sons to come out and have a Nerf gun war. We host a daddy-daughter dance in January, and we had a lot of moms say it would be nice if we did some sort of event for mothers and sons. So we kind of did some brainstorming, and this is what we came up with. It's very cool, and a lot of the sons were looking forward to shooting their moms with the Nerf guns, and I did remind a lot of them they have to ride home with them, so they might want to be careful.
It was fierce out there today. Muddy, wet, a lot of fun. Really good mother-son bonding time. Not something we get to do a lot with our sons. It's something they enjoy to do, and got us out there and down and dirty with them.
Was there any talk you had beforehand about
Oh yeah, we were talking plenty of smack. We had some side bets going on, and the boys are obviously out there winning. They're pretty fierce to me at home as well, but this gives me a chance to fire back, so to speak.
We're very community-oriented. We try to look for events that would, community can support and support us. This is a building campaign to remodel our existing building, and support from the community has been tremendous.